Welcome back to The Explainer. So, if you're a focused learner looking to cut through all the noise and get straight to the structured heart of the matter, well, you're in the exact right place. Today, we're breaking down a highly anticipated module. It's Day 34, Natural Language Processing. We're going to set a really energetic stage for your journey into NLP today, because this is the moment in the curriculum where the machine stops just crunching numbers and actually starts understanding human language. It's a massive, fascinating topic, and I'm honestly thrilled to guide you through exactly how this lesson is structured to absolutely guarantee your success.
Okay, here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll do a quick welcome to NLP, then move into core concepts and workflow. After that, we'll transition to practical use with real-world applications and a hands-on mini-project, and finally, wrap the whole thing up with assessments and a summary.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Welcome to NLP.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Natural language processing can sometimes feel like this intimidating wall of complex algorithms, right? But this module is engineered to completely break that wall down. Your primary objective here is to understand the core concepts and applications without getting bogged down by all that unnecessary jargon right out of the gate. So we're starting with a highly accessible, beginner-friendly foundation just so your brain can easily anchor the more complex ideas that are coming later on.
Moving right along to Section 2, Core Concepts and Workflow. So to truly master NLP, you really need to fluently speak the language of AI. We're not just giving you a high-level overview here, you're going to master essential terminology. Things like tokenization, where we chop sentences into bite-sized pieces, or sentiment analysis, where a machine actually learns if a tweet is happy or angry. This is absolutely critical. I mean, you can't execute a process if you don't even know what the parts are called, right? But once that vocabulary is locked in, the lesson shifts into a step-by-step workflow, taking those isolated terms and showing you how they operate sequentially in a real environment.
And this brilliantly illustrates how your learning path progresses logically today. You don't just jump straight into the workflow, you move systematically. Step 1, you grasp those core concepts. Step 2, you master the specific terminology so you understand the parameters. And only then, in Step 3, do you execute the workflow. This structure is specifically designed for maximum retention. By the time you actually reach that execution phase, the underlying logic is going to feel like second nature.
Next up is Section 3, Real-World Applications.
Now, we aren't just leaving you floating out in theoretical space. Look at this spread across 4 major sectors: healthcare, education, finance, and AI products. Did you know that nearly 80% of healthcare data is unstructured? Think about that. In healthcare, NLP is organizing that massive chaos, basically making sense of doctors' notes to pull out life-saving insights. In education, it's personalizing learning experiences. In finance, it's parsing market sentiment to predict economic trends. And in AI products, well, it's the very backbone of how we interact with technology today. By studying these specific sectors, you're going to see exactly how the terminology and workflows you just learned are being used right now to solve massive human problems.
The sheer scale of impact here is just incredible. NLP is not some niche subfield. It is universally transforming everything from specialized arenas like healthcare and finance, all the way down to the everyday AI products we have in our pockets. Honestly, if you've ever yelled at a smart speaker and it actually did what you wanted, you literally have NLP to thank for that. Grasping this takeaway is so vital for your motivation. You aren't just learning a textbook chapter today, you are learning the actual architecture of the modern digital world.
All right, let's get into Section 4, our hands-on mini-project.
So, the crucial point here is that you won't just be passively absorbing theory today. No way! You're tackling a hands-on mini-project where the rubber really meets the road. It forces you to take those beginner-friendly concepts, the essential terminology, and that step-by-step workflow and actually build something with it. This is active learning at its absolute finest, ensuring that all that theoretical knowledge actually translates into tangible, functional skills.
Which brings us to Section 5, Assessments and Summary.
I want you to think of your final assessments as the boss battles of Day 34. They're divided into 2 distinct categories, and each serves a totally unique purpose for your growth. On one side, we have the interview questions. These are specifically tailored for Viva and placement prep. Basically, think of these as your career prep power-ups. They're designed to test exactly how well you can articulate NLP concepts to a potential employer. And then, on the other side, we have the quiz. These practice questions are your immediate diagnostic tool to assess your personal understanding of the day's mechanics. Together, they make sure you're both practically competent and professionally articulate.
So, I want you to actively pull yourself into the mindset of a student being tested right now. Are you ready to conquer these milestones? Because the transition from learner to practitioner, it happens in these exact moments of assessment. This is where you prove to yourself that the terminology and workflows have truly clicked. So, embrace the challenge of both the practice quiz and those placement Viva questions.
And finally, here are your resting points for day 34. Beyond the quiz and the interview prep, you have an assignment waiting for you. It's a full practical exercise based strictly on today's concepts to further solidify those new skills. And once that's conquered, the module provides a summary to comprehensively recap the most important learning outcomes. This just ensures that before you close the book on day 34, every single crucial takeaway is neatly filed away in your memory. All right, we've covered the concepts, the workflow, the real-world applications, and the rigorous assessments. But the ultimate question is this: how will you apply today's natural language processing concepts to build the AI products of tomorrow? The tools are literally in your hands right now. So take this structure, tackle your assignment with enthusiasm, and just keep exploring. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy learning.